Well, I decided to tackle the spark plug removal of myself. I was going to get my buddy to come over, but he was a little too busy. So as you can see, I got parts taken off, air vents and everything. Got the fairings all taken off, but I got the ignition coils exposed. I just took one off. There it is right there. Now I am about to change the spark plugs. Once I change the spark plugs, I'm going to put the fuel filter on. Once I get the fuel filter on, then I am going to change the oil. Once I get the oil changed, then I am going to fire her up. I will put it on video. So, but just another update. I washed it the last time, but just another update. So here we go.